Plitvice Waterfalls, Croatia. Plitvice Lakes National Park, UNESCO World Heritage Site, is world famous for its lakes, arranged in cascades. Currently, 16 cascading lakes can be seen, and are renowned for their distinctive colors with crystal clear shades of emerald and turquoise. Water flowing over the limestone and chalk over thousands of years have created the barriers, resulting in natural dams that form incredibly stunning waterfalls as well as rivers and caves. Each year, more than 1,200,000 visitors visit the national park.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't.
Subscribe my channel, like the video.